Okay guys, I'm going to be showing you how to make this slime, the detergent slime, and it's actually pretty easy to make. So the first ingredient you're going to need is the dish soap, and pour it into your bowl.
What are you doing?
Making a slime. I'm just putting a lid on. And you're going to mix it. Then you're going to need some shaving cream. Then you're going to have to stir it. After that, you're going to need some cornstarch. Now you're just going to need a little bit. You're only going to need 2 spoonfuls of cornstarch. Then mix. Then you're going to take it out and shape it until it looks like this. I hope you like this video. And be sure to subscribe. And make sure to subscribe.